Hello everybody, and welcome back to the next Unity tutorial video. Today we're going to go ahead and improve upon our matching logic to remove a case where a match already exists on the board, such as here. And we're also going to go ahead and improve our gems a little bit. Go ahead to your gem prefab and then take off this physics material on it. Go down to the rigid body, change it to 0 and 0. Alright. Go to your board.cs class, and we're going to want to check now, after we determine that we're not swapping, that we need to check to see if there's any nearby matches on the board. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to loop through our list of gems, and then we're going to check to see if any of the gems nearby that one is a match. So we're going to create a new function here. Check for nearby matches. And this is going to take a gem, which is the gem we're going to check. And it's going to do something very similar to the function above it, which is it's going to use the same two functions to make the match lists, and then we're going to clear them out using the same logic we used before. So construct g color g dot y chord, and then a reference to our gem list. And then we're going to fix this match list, g gem list. Alright, and in here we're just going to call this function and pass in our gem. So right now the way this is going to work is that if we're not swapping and if there is no match, then we're going to check for nearby matches, but that's not really when we want to check for it. We want to determine if our board is in motion, if a row is collapsing or falling, like this. So if there's a row falling, we want to check to see if that's happening before we start checking for neighbors or nearby matches. So we're going to make another function that's going to return a bool value, and we're going to determine board state. And what this is going to do is we're going to determine whether or not our board is in motion. And we want to say if it's not. Yeah. So we want to loop through our gems. And if a gem is above a certain point, which is it's above 3.8 or 3.9, that's what it looks like. Yeah. So we're just going to put that at 4. Then we're going to return true, that our board is moving. The state is that it's not good. If our velocity of each gem is greater than a certain value, then we are also in motion. That's if a spot down here is moving. So this gem is in motion, so we need to determine that. And we're going to do that. We only really care about the velocity.y. We only really care about the y velocity, and we're just going to use some low number for now, 0.1, and then we're going to return true. Now otherwise, then we're going to return false out here. Alright, so let's see how this works. And We only care about the Y. Okay. And now it clears out that match, waits for the board to settle, and then clears out the next match, if there was another one. Like so. And so far that's working pretty well. Okay. Now, it may do it too quickly. We can always increase this or decrease this value, depending on how we want it to behave. Let's see. Yeah, okay, that's everything. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time.